Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by freeing space and securing a restore point. This protects you if something changes. Once done, sign into your admin account so commands run correctly. Start the built-in troubleshooter in settings. It automates common fixes and resets services. If the troubleshooter flags specific components, make a note and continue. You will manually reset services and clear cache next. This step reduces wasted time and addresses obvious permission or corruption issues before deeper repairs. Now you stop the update services so files can be replaced safely. Open an elevated command prompt and run the net stop commands. Next, rename software distribution and cacheroute 2 so Windows recreates clean caches. This removes corrupted download remnants. After that, run dism to repair the component store, followed by system file checker to restore protected files. Make sure to wait for each tool to finish. Rushing can leave the image inconsistent, so be patient and watch for error messages. After repairs, restart the services you stopped and then reboot the machine to apply changes. Once it returns, go to Windows Update and click Check for updates. Windows should download and install cleanly from the rebuilt caches. If updates still fail, capture the error code and run the Windows Update Assistant or perform an in-place upgrade to preserve files while forcing a fresh update. One troubleshooting tip: if a specific error persists, search for that code before resetting again to avoid repeating steps needlessly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.